Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobile Legends game on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, you can proceed forward with your Facebook or your Google accounts. After logging in, you will be taken into the main menu from which you can start enjoying various different games. Now, even if you are within your game and playing in the middle, you can still turn off the sounds by going to the gear icon at the top left corner. This will then open up the settings option. From this page, just tap on sound, and now you will see the main volume option. You can simply tap on the off option in order to turn the main volume off. You can also use the sliders underneath for music, sound effects, hero voice, as well as system notifications. You also have the option to turn off the hero interaction voiceover, as well as the chat options and the volume for the chat settings. Once you turn these options off, this will disable all sounds from within the game, and you can change these settings at any point of time in order to re-enable sounds within your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds on the Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.